Hey, let's check in for today. This first trade you see here, I got 600 shares of MSTU, which is parallel to MSTR. It's just leveraged 2x. And so I ended up getting $18 in a short amount of time. It was a 3-minute trade. And so I bought them at $4.61 per share and sold at $4.64 quickly thereafter. The spike was almost directly upwards, and I managed to get in at the beginning of the spike where it felt like a much safer point, and I exited only about 20% into the spike. And so I got in and I got out very quickly, tried to reduce risk, and got $18 on that first trade. Then with the remaining settled cash in my account, I still had, this original trade was $2,784 after getting return. So I only had enough for 21 more shares to do the same thing. But, I should say share price for MSTZ. So it did a natural reversal after that first initial easy to guess spike based on world events going on this morning. After that, everything seemed volatile and just trading sideways. And so I took a break and checked back in, as you see here, at 2:06 p.m. when it started reversing back down and correcting for this news-based spike. So I switched to MSTZ, the inverse, and it has a higher share price. It's a little over $11. And I did the same thing, but the first trade was a 0.65% return. This one was actually a larger return because it seemed like a safer trade to me because there was a lot of room for it to correct down. And so I let it correct down to almost 0.75% return before selling. And so since it was only 21 shares, a much smaller amount of money, even though it was a higher return trade, it was returned $1.68. So that puts me at $19.68 for today. And I caught that first larger trade, as you could see here. It's just a good feeling when you happen to catch it, hitting your pre-programmed limit sell price. And so it was a fun day. I'll check in tomorrow.